Premium Ferroalloys Limited. Premium Ferroalloys Limited is an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, is a leading manufacturing of premium reinforcement steel bars in Kerala. We have the most modern steel melting and rolling equipments using the latest technologies available in the industry. The policy of the company is to continuously improve the quality of our product for the satisfaction of our esteemed customers. The company is managed by industrialists who are closely associated with many projects and are fully dedicated to the stratagems of the company. Premium Ferroalloys Limited has been selected as a model unit under the United Nations Development Programme implemented by the Ministry of Steel in India. TMT, thermomechanical treatment, is a special heat treatment process wherein the heat treatment is done from the heat of the rolling process itself. Ingots, which are heated in a reheating furnace, are rolled through a series of rolling stands and progressively reduced to the final size and shape of the rebar. As the hot rolled rebar emerges from the finishing stand of the bar mill, it is rapidly cooled. This quenching process by a special water spray system converts the surface layer of the bar to a hardened structure called martensite, while the core remains austenitic. The second stage of tempering begins as a bar leaves the water cooling section. In this stage, the heat flows from the core to the surface layer, transforming it into a structure called temper martensite, while the core continues to stay austenitic. The final stage takes place on the cooling bed. Here the austenitic core is transformed to ductile ferrite pearlite core. The finished bar has a microstructure comprising a tough outer layer of tempered martensite and a ductile core of ferrite pearlite. This composite structure gives excellent yield strength to the bar along with superior ductility and weldability. Premium Ferroalloys Limited has world-class chemical and physical laboratories, which apart from testing the product, are also used for research and development. Well-qualified and experienced professionals handle the quality control efficiently. Each and every batch undergoes very tough quality control and comes out with very high strength. Premium reinforcement steel is lightweight due to negative diminutional tolerance and hence gives overall economy. Premium reinforcement steel is exported frequently with specification as per American standard and British standard, which itself speaks about the superior quality of the product. Premium high-strength reinforcement steel is the new generation high-strength ribbed reinforcement bar. It is manufactured in the state-of-the-art plant using thermomechanical treatment technology available worldwide, which results in excellent ductility and high bendability, better corrosion resistance, superior weldability, and stronger bonding with concrete. Premium high-strength reinforcement steel is exported to various countries around the globe. The environment-friendly production process employed in our steel plant is non-polluting and saves almost 75% energy compared to the traditional production process used by most steel mills. This helps in substantial saving of our natural resources and keeps the beauty of our planet intact.